Cricket West Indies Chief Executive Officer, Mr. Chris Daring, been talking up a storm of optimism about the new, bold chapter of growth and development in West Indies cricket. We're hearing about more funding, better structures and solutions. Then we add the Patterson report and the Webby report, which were all designed to bail out the gushing waters from the sinking West Indies ship. Of course, Mr. Daring is a successful businessman and a marketer who is now being paid by Cricket West Indies to do a particular job. But in reality, West Indies cricket don't have an administrative or marketing problem. All the funding and the marketing and the positivity in the world cannot save West Indies cricket if young Caribbean boys don't love playing cricket anymore. And the few quality players that we produce, they are not interested in representing the West Indies. Mr. Daring, are you hearing? Mr. Daring, you hearing?